Hi, so I've opened this issue on the Chromium bug tracker as requested. Here's a screencast of the issue. So I'm looking at the WebTransport spec, and it has this example of how to use a stream, how to send data over a stream. So it uses a unidirectional stream. I will be using bidirectional streams later, but the point is the same. You create the stream, you get the writer for all the data that you want to send. You wait for the writer to become ready, and then you write the bytes into the stream, and you don't await on the return value of the write function as per the stream spec. When you are done writing your bytes, you close the writer immediately. What I've noticed is that if you try and read from the other end of the stream, if you close the writer immediately, sometimes not all the bytes make it. So depending on how busy the application is, etc. So I have added the steps to reproduce the problem. So you create an echo server, you run this code pen, and then you look at the results in the console. So the echo server is available here. This is a simple one. This is the source code for the echo server. So we create the server using the Fails Components WebTransport module in JavaScript. Create the server, start the server, wait for the server to become ready. Then you just read incoming sessions. For every incoming session, we read the incoming bidirectional streams. For every incoming bidirectional stream, we just pipe it back to itself. So it's just a simple echo server that any bytes that come in on the readable get piped to the writable. That's all there is to it. So if I start the server, it's just printed this little block, which is just for me to be able to configure the server certificate hash so I can connect to it. So I have my client here, so it's going to write 1,024 chunks. Each chunk will be 1,024 bytes long. We connect to the server using the WebTransport constructor. We wait for the transport to become ready. We create a bidirectional stream. We count the bytes that we're going to receive, and then we set up two promises. So one promise function writes data, so it just gets the writer from the writable of the stream, and then just writes the chunks into the stream, not awaiting so it waits for the writer to become ready. Then it writes the bytes into the stream, and then it closes the writer when it's done. This is exactly the same as in the example here. And then the other promise just reads data. So we get the readable reader. We read a value from it. If we're done, then we return. Otherwise, we record the length of the buffer that we've sent. So remember, we're sending 1,000 chunks. They're 1,000 bytes long each. After that, we just print into the console. We say how much we've received and then how many we expect. So what we would expect to see here is this number should equal this number. So if I drop my new certificate in, we're going to run, it's saved. There we go. So it's done the streaming, but out of the 1 meg's worth of data that we've sent, we've only received 196,000 bytes. This is the bug. These numbers should be the same.